Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Today, we want to start with Unit 1, Lesson 1. The main parts of a green plant. So, our lesson today is about the main parts of a green plant. What is a green plant? A few kinds of green plant. Cherry tree, the poppy, and the fir. The cherry tree is a small tree. It carries light pink flowers and green leaves. So the cherry tree is a small tree. It carries light pink flowers and green leaves. The poppy. The poppy is a small plant with red flowers and green leaves. The fir is a small plant without flowers but with long green leaves. Okay? Now, the main parts of a green plant. First of all, the flower, the leaf, fruit, the stem, the roots. Okay? So the flower, the leaf, fruit, the stem, and the root. The green leaves give the green color to the plant. The green leaves give the green color to the plant. The stem carries the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits. The root holds the plant to the soil. Every plant with green leaves is called green plants. So, every plant with green leaves is called green plants. A green plant is made up of three main parts: the root, the stem, the leaves. Okay, so the three main parts of a green plant: the root, the stem, the leaves. Some green plants carry flowers. Now, spring and other seasons of flowers. A green plant does not bloom all the year long. Spring is the season of flowers. Let's start with the Janista. The Janista blooms in spring, while the cherry tree also blooms in spring. So the Janista and the cherry tree blooms in spring. The oleander blooms in spring and in summer. So, okay. The sorrel blooms in winter. So the sorrel blooms in winter. The enola blooms in summer and autumn. Okay. The anemone blooms in winter. So the anemone and the sorrel blooms in winter. The enola blooms in summer and autumn. Green plant with flowers blooms in different seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Most of them bloom in spring. Now, each plant has its root. Okay? Wheat. The wheat roots are thin, numerous, and tangled. So the wheat roots are thin, numerous, and tangled. The carrot has a well-developed main root with small roots called rootlets. The carrot has a well-developed main root with small roots called rootlets. Now the strawberry. The strawberry has a creeping stem. New small roots developed on that creeping stem. The ivy has a climbing stem. It clings into the wall with the small roots that develop on that climbing stem. Green plants have different roots: tangled, well-developed, growing on a creeping stem, or in a climbing stem. Okay? Now, each plant has its stem. First of all, the trunk, a thick, hard, and straight stem. So the trunk, a thick, hard, and straight stem. Let's start with the first picture. The pine tree, okay? The pine has just one high trunk, okay? It's a big tree, so the pine tree has just one high trunk. It's a big tree. Now, the olive tree. The olive tree has just one short trunk. It's a small tree, okay? So the olive tree has just one short trunk. It's a small tree. The last picture, the oleander tree. The oleander has several short trunks, okay? Now, other thin and flexible stems. The poppy. The poppy has a straight stem, okay? The vine has a climbing stem, okay? Stem. The watermelon has a gripping stem, okay? So as a conclusion, trees have thick, hard, and straight stems. These stems are also called trunks. Other plants, such as the poppy, have thin and flexible stems. Okay, so trees have thick, hard, and straight stems. These stems are also called trunks. Okay, other plants, such as the poppy, have thin and flexible stems. Now, each plant has its leaves. Plant leaves have different shapes. We have many different shapes of the leaves, okay? Let's start with the orange tree leaf. Orange tree leaf, it has an oval, elongated shape. It has a smooth edge. The poplar leaf, it is white. The willow leaf, it is elongated and has the shape of a feather, okay? It has a smooth edge. The vine leaf, it is white. The carob tree leaf, it is made of small leaves. Pine leaf, it looks like a needle, okay? So as a conclusion, the leaves shape changes from one plant into another. Some plants have leaves made up of several leaflets each. Others have thin leaves that look like a needle, okay? Needle. Thank you for your watching.